Yeah, that's probably a really good picture.
You guys really
That
posed
is a
for
good
that.
picture. She
Hey,
can't
Kim.
turn her head around to see where that's coming from.
Usually he makes this like crazy eyes wide open face when we pull out the camera, and it's kind of creepy.
Hold on.
Now her.
Whoa! See what you're missing out on?
Yeah, you want to say something to Cassie?
You trying to get closer? I'm keeping my eye on you, Cam. Yeah, that's good, Cassie. Back away.
He's trying to woo her with his words.
Who was that?
Thanks, Cassie.
Yeah, that's Cassie.
They're like so close but so far away.
It says I'm getting tired of being
Getting
on
a-
my stomach.
His head is